here on TV 18, joined by Leo, owner of Da Vinci's Restaurant right here in Cooper Creek Square. Great place to come check out restaurant, great food. Super excited to talk to you about it. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Tell me how long the restaurant's been around.
So this is our third summer now. We're
Okay.
coming up on our 2.25 of a year.
Awesome. New deck this year.
Yeah, we have a new deck. We kind of launched it last year, late last summer.
Okay.
So,
Has it been successful?
Yes, extremely.
Awesome.
I think it's too small.
It's too small, yes, I would assume.
Yeah.
So main restaurant is modern European cuisine.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what that means. Where does that come from?
It comes from just different varieties of cuisines as far as classical French, Italian, Greek, Israeli.
Yeah.
We've just kind of traveled all over the world in the last 18, 20 years. And so it's just basically we bring everything together, tied in into one, and try to just bring a vibrant, modern cuisine.
Uh-huh.
That's a little updated.
Have you cooked in all of those places where you're getting your influence from?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much a lot of those countries, a lot of the chefs that I've trained under.
Yeah. How'd you end up here in Winter Park?
It found me. So I guess it's just destiny.
Okay, it is. That's a great way to say it. Do you have a favorite style you like to cook, or when you were training and stuff, did you have a favorite that you really enjoyed?
What I really like is to take classical dishes and then pretty much give them a new lift.
Yeah.
Like a facelift, you would say.
Yeah, yeah.
In a sense, kind of bring them up to the more of a modern, keep them up with the new trends that are going on. So you take your old classics and take them to the next level, level, you know.
Do you have an example of that on your menu?
Yeah, most of our menus are like that. I mean, we have, you know, we're not a typical lasagna place.
Right.
By all means, but we're not also your fine dining. We're more of just a vibrant, kind of a cool spot with new ideas and new things that you can catch in the city and you can catch here in the mountains.
Yeah, I love you guys' restaurant. This is one of my favorite dishes that you brought here as an appetizer. Tell me just a little bit about the vibe of the restaurant. You're saying new and hip and that kind of stuff. What kind of things do you guys do to make that?
So what we try to accommodate to the both worlds, to the fine dining world, to where people do want to come out to a classy restaurant and enjoy themselves. Yep. We do not have Frank Sinatra in the background where you're falling asleep.
Right.
So, and then we also have catered to the younger crowd as well, to the nightlife.
Cool.
And going forward, we're actually thinking about switching it up a little bit, getting rid of the tablecloths and just using them for special events and kind of get a little funk on the tables.
Cool.
And just bring it more alive.
Right. And live music, DJs, that kind of stuff exists there?
Fridays, Saturdays, we have live piano, live singer as well.
Cool.
Weekends, we do late night DJs and kind of turn it into a little dance popping kind of thing with different themes.
Okay. So. Every weekend you do a dance party?
Pretty much.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
And you guys have had a good summer so far?
Yeah, summer's been amazing.
Awesome.
We're just booking up on all of our rehearsal dinners, and we get a lot of business on that as well.
So special events are awesome to come check you guys out for. We are going to take a quick break, and then we're going to talk about this guy that we're here. We're going to probably have some wine early in the morning because we love to do that here on TV 18. So Leo from Da Vinci has joined us. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss hearing about this guy. We'll be back.